Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps closing on the application of TikTok. We go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of TikTok and you will enter here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your attention.